This video shouldn't be taken seriously. I make these videos for fun. I have no intention of offending anyone with these videos, it's all for entertainment purposes only. Thank you.
Emergency alert system activated. There is a weird entity. Oh no, he's coming to a lot of cities. Please lock your doors and windows or else he'll kill you or something.
I really enjoyed watching these emergency alert system scenarios. They're kinda scary but entertaining. You know, it would be fun to see one of these in real life.
Do not go outside for any reason, because if you go outside the entity will take you to his cave and do really bad stuff with you.
You know, maybe I can, pull a little prank. I know. I'm going to make a fake emergency alert system to scare everyone. Ha 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 ha. How will I do it? Oh gosh, I hate this voice. It mispronounces everything. Shut up! I'll maybe at the TV station or whatever it's called. I'll search for a TV station near. Oh, bingo! There's one really close to this famous restaurant. Now I have to sneak out of the house. It's gonna really hurt. Oh, I nearly forgot. What? Ouch. It really hurt. The pain won't stop me from doing whatever I'm about to do. Okay, I think this is it. The GoAnimate TV station. Or something. I'm going in. Which one should I choose? Oh, I guess channel 43 it is.
Oh come on, these ads have been playing for 20 minutes now. I want to start my podcast. Hey little girl, are you lost? You shouldn't be here.
Oh, don't you come with that shit. Leave now. Let me do my shit.
Little girl, I don't think you can do that. You must leave. You can't be here.
Oh? I can't be here. Alright then. That's it. Take this. Alright. That's taken care of. Let's see how this shit works. Oh? Here it is. I can make a fake video to interrupt the normal programming. I'll make it real quick. Complete info. Okay. Alright, time to edit this.
The potato documentary is just the best thing of this entire channel.
So today I'll talk about the entire potato's existence. So let's begin.
Emergency alert system. This is not a drill. And this is not a test. Your life could be in danger. This is a message for all citizens of both GoAnimate City and Scratch City.
What the fuck? Why is there an emergency alert system? Also, this message looks suspicious. I seen emergency alert systems before and they look different to this. Also the message isn't appearing on the rest of the channels, only on one. Very suspicious. I don't know. I'll just keep on listening.
3 days ago, we have gotten a lot of missing people reports from both GoAnimate City and Scratch City. We thought it was all normal, but we quickly realized that it was not. We have gotten 911 calls from citizens saying they saw a weird entity wander around the city. The entity normally goes around night, by the time of the calls. And now we have recently gotten calls about the same entity seen brutally killing people in zones with a lot of trees. By a leaked source, we have gotten information about this. This entity doesn't have a name. It's completely white and it's like if it was a light source. It's 6 feet. It normally wanders around the cities in really hidden spots during the night. One day, there were 2 people going back to their houses after having a party at someone else's house. The path back home was going through a zone with a lot of trees. Suddenly one of them suddenly disappear, and he isn't found until yesterday where we found a body with a lot of injuries beyond recognition.
Oh wait. Oh shit. It isn't making sense. It has bad grammar, and the people could become suspicious.
It isn't making sense. I think it's a prank.
I'll try to fix it before anyone notices. Oh sh*, oh sh*, oh sh*.
Stop right there.
Sorry, I don't do autographs. Oh sh*.
This is the police. You're under arrest.
Gina, you snitch. How did you even find me here?
You posted a photo of yourself to Instagram and accidentally left the location of where it was taken.
Oh right.
Alright, Dora Marquez, you're gonna stay here until the next video.
No breaking the fourth wall in the halls.
Fine, I'm sorry. For 1 decade. Also, you have visitors.
I know who it is. Have mercy, please.
Oh my gosh. How f***ing dare you try to scare the entire world with a f***ing fake emergency alert system. That's the most insane thing you have ever done. You should know better. When will you learn? That's it. You are so f***ing grounded for 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 decades. We're leaving. We'll see you whenever we see you. Goodbye.
Karma's a bitch. I should have known better. What?